So this question I'm going to start now. And the question is, if they mention clearly, this line is a AB, first of all, AB positive. He mentioned AB positive. And he mentioned that this line intersects x-axis at A. So all of students know about it when a line cut the x-axis. For example, this line cuts, okay? So at x-axis, what is zero? All of you know y is zero. So x-axis at A. So let's start. First of all, I'm looking for A coordinates. So concentrate fully. I'm writing here for A, put y0. When I plug in y0 here, wait a minute. So when I plug in y0 here, what happens, students? So x over A plus, because when I plug in y0 here, so this becomes 0 is equal to 1. So x becomes A because A into 1 becomes A. So A coordinate becomes A comma 0. I think this A coordinate is very clear. Same way saying that this line intersecting y-axis at B. So for B coordinates, what I will do, I will put x is equals to 0. And when I plug in x0, so 0 comes in this place. So what happens? 0 plus y over b equals to 1. B multiplies there. So y is equal to b. So b coordinates becomes 0 comma b. I think so. This is very, very clear. Further, if you concentrate, he is saying two things are there. Okay, I do this part easy, first part. Distance of AB is 10. So distance of AB 10, distance formula is nothing hard. Distance of AB, distance formula is very clear. Y2 minus Y1 whole square plus X2 minus X1 whole square. And distance is 10, so I'm putting here 10. And here I can apply Y2 minus Y1. So it means B minus 0 whole square. X2 minus X1, so I get a 0 minus A whole square. And I believe this clear. And so first of all, 10 equals to B to power 2 plus A to power 2. Make sure, students, this power 2 will make negative as a positive. And squaring both sides, I get this 10 become 100. So A square plus B square equals to 100. Equation 1 done. But this sentence is very, very important, which student get issues. He's saying midpoint of AB. So job number 1, find midpoint of AB. How to find midpoint of AB? So let's start. Midpoint, follow his instructions. So point of AB. So how to find midpoint of AB, student? Not a hard job. So midpoint is a very clear. X1 plus X2 divided by 2. So 0 plus A divided by 2. Same approach, Y1 plus Y by 2. So I get a B plus 0 over 2. And midpoint becoming what? A by 2 and B by 2. What the question is, he's saying this point AB lies on this line. So as MA by 2 and B by 2 lies on line. Which line? This line. 2x plus y equal to 10. 2x plus. And you know, students, all of you know, whenever any point lies on it, you can replace this. This will go in the place of y. This will go in the place of x. So I'm going to do 2 times 2x plus 2 plus y equals to 10. So I take LCM. LCM is come naturally 2 as 2a plus b. I'm not cancel this 2, okay, students? So I just do directly. This 2 multiplies there, and I get what? 2a plus b equals to 10. We make a b subject, so 10 minus 2a. This is equation number 2. Now this equation and that question, solve them simultaneously. This value is going it here. So a square plus b square is equal to 100. And this value is coming here. So 10 minus 2a.
So
So
it's
be
20
careful.
minus 2a, right?
Say again.
It's 20
Mhm.
minus 2a, right?
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. 2 tens are 20. Thank you very much. Thank you. On right time, you said me. Thank you very much. So this is 20 minus 2a. So it becomes, if we expand a square, and some students write 2 time multiply, but I use squaring identity. First term to a square, 2 into first term, second term, plus second term square equals to 100. 20 comes first two bracket, and 2a come in next two brackets. Look, I'm showing you 20, 20, 2a, and 2a. So a square and plus 400, 2 2s are 4, 4 2, 4 2s are 8, 80a, and plus 4a square plus 100. Or 100, I bring it here, this side, no issue at all. So 4a square become, this one become 5a square. And this is a negative 80a. And this become plus 300. So equal to 0, or divide the whole equation by 5. So 5 gone, I get a square. Okay, divide by 4. Let me write in a box so students cannot okay have a difference. So 5 ones are 5. So 5 16 times this one, and 660 is here equals to 0. And now I think I can complete it by simply or I can save my time. I can save my time. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so all right, here divided by 5. So now I can factorize 6. So we can apply quadratic formula or factorization. 61 or 60, 10 6 are 60. 10 6 are 60. 10 6 are. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. Clear? A common out, a minus 10. Negative 6 common out, a minus 10. I'm getting two answers of A. It's very clear. A answer coming 10 and 6. But problem is only here. I will plug in both A values in any one question. I think here better. So B equal 20 minus 2A. B equals to 20 minus 2A. 2A. Again, I'm writing same thing. B equals 20 minus 2A. 10 comes here, 6 comes here. And here I get a 0. And as he said, B is positive. You know it very well, student. B is a positive. So I can't take it 0. Reason? Because B is not positive, B is not negative. So ignore it. So this is A10, B0 gone. And this is what? 12, I get 8. So we have, alhamdulillah, A6 and B8 final answers. Because he said that. Read it again, please. He said A and B are positive constants. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, I believe the point is very clear and question is completely clear.